Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock your Chime card. For that you will have to first launch your Chime mobile application and then you need to just log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in and once you are at the home page of your Chime app, you are going to see this gear icon in the top left hand corner. So simply need to click on this gear icon and then you will be redirected on the settings page where you need to find this option which says allow transactions. Now once you have found allow transactions, you simply need to turn the toggle button on right next to it, and once you do this you will be able to easily unlock your Chime card. Now for any reason if you are not able to find allow transactions options in your settings, then what you need to do is you need to simply click on account setting option, and in the account settings you will be able to see this option. So you simply need to turn this button on in order to unlock your Chime card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.